Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to love into XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So this impulsive move here has run into the 1414 fib, and it's failed to get through that. And right now it's retracing back for the continuation of the trend. Now I'm looking at a possibility here. I know everyone's getting really fearful, and I do expect, at some point XRP will come down to that sort of area because of the break here. You got this resistance. You're broken out, and I think that's on my radar 03553. But I think potentially before we get there, we might have another little leg up here for XRP. So this is a scenario that I'm looking at right now. So if we switch the RSI, just a relative strength index, we've got in the price action there on the 4-hourly time frame, we've got a higher low, okay, on that trend line, and then on the RSI we've got a lower low. Look at that, okay, and then the stock's in the floor, which is always a nice little thing as well. You want to see for a potential wave up. Right now we could have just put in a simple wave correction coming back down to a key level support, potentially this high here before another impulsive break to the upside. So at the minute I think I'm a little bit more biased towards jumping into a long instead of a short, possibly, okay, and we could have some kind of correction here, some correction coming back down like that before we break again. So I think at the minute we're looking at some kind of retracement coming up. So this is an opportunity. So I've actually gone long off this trend line with the RSI, the hidden bullish divergence, as well, as a possibility to ride along up, into resistance. So what we need to do is take a look at these resistance levels that we're going to look at on the retracement right now as a possibility. And obviously anything can happen. This is why you try and ride the waves, and right now we are looking at some kind of retracement coming back up to the high. If we begin to come back up and take out these resistance points, I think you've got another impulsive move in front of you which takes you to 1618. Okay, at that point I think you've got a big correction coming at that point at 04572. Now I'm only looking at it as a possibility because Bitcoin, it could potentially be carving out some kind of bull flag at the minute, okay, and everyone's going to start piling on shorts, and it's another kind of short squeeze, and this is where you're going to see a pop basically. So this could be a beautiful little trade for the CoinsKid crew off this trend line right now, where I'm long with my stop loss on this low. Could be looking at around about 13% long opportunity, okay, and I think at that point obviously take a bit of profit if this happens. Obviously got no guarantees, but right now my stop is all the way down on this low because potentially what we've got here, to show you, we've got a beautiful impulsive break, and right now we've retraced to that high. So we've come back down to that high, possibly holding it as support, looking for a continuation, impulsive corrective, like that, okay. So it's a possibility. This is why I always try and find opportunities. I mean, if it goes against me, I've lost what, a couple of percent, 2% risk for potential 13% gain. And this is why you don't over leverage, you don't go all in with your life savings, don't be a degen, be responsible. So I think, to negate this, we need to see XRP coming down. We've got 1 hour 45 for the close on the 4 hour. If we start to see it losing this trend line, then technically, okay, we could invalidate that and we could begin to look at a deeper retracement coming back down to where you've broken out, which was from down here, okay? Because at the minute, all you're doing is retracing, okay, from this high all the way to this low where you're broken out. And you could say at the minute you found support in the 0.5 fib, nominal retracement level. So this is why there's a bit of confluence there that we could begin this another impulsive move, and this could just simply be some kind of corrective move like that. ABC coming back down before continuing and coming up. And I would be looking at these levels here for XRP, okay, before you get overextended and you do come in for the big correction basically. So always try and find divergences, and at the minute we have got a 4 hour hidden bullish divergence just there, okay, with a higher low and a lower low on the other side with the stock in the floor as well. So there's no guarantees, remember this, but this is trading ranges. This is riding the waves, because this could potentially be an opportunity when everyone's piling on the shorts, and just riding the waves basically. So what I'm looking at potential breakout around about 13% up to the 1618. Around about 13% up to the 1618 at 04572, where I would TP at that point. My stop loss is all the way down there on 03964 on Bybit basically. You can do this as well. Join Bybit, take advantage of their amazing sign up bonuses. Again, not got a crystal ball, no guarantees, but I think if you do start to break down here, close below this, and you lose a 4-hourly 55, then it's potentially negating this long opportunity off this potential ABC correction before another impulsive move to the upside, where I would expect a level of resistance come in and a big ABC potentially all the way back down to there, okay. So what would that correction be after this big reaction off the upside? So if we do rally into the 1618 and we go for a mega crash, which is what happens, we're looking at a 22% long op off that off that level of resistance right now. Hope you understand that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care everyone. Back to another update on XRP. Bye bye.